Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to download, install, and configure the microSIP softphone on Windows 11 and connect it to your Issabel 5 PBX. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to make and receive calls from your PC. Let's get started. Open your web browser. Go to the official microSIP website. Download the latest Windows version. Wait for the download to finish. Double-click the installer. Click Yes if prompted by User Account Control. Follow the installation wizard. Click Install, then Finish. Launch microSIP. Configure microSIP. In microSIP, open Add Account. Account name. SIP server, your Issabel server IP or FQDNU, surname, extension number, domain, Issabel server IP, password, extension password, transport, UDP, or TCP, TLS if required. Save the settings. After saving, check the status indicator. If it shows online or registered, your configuration is successful. If registration fails, verify the server IP, extension, password, and firewall settings. Test the connection. Dial another extension. Answer the call from the destination phone. Test both audio directions. Confirm you can make and receive calls successfully. Congratulations! You've successfully installed and configured microSIP on Windows 11 and connected it to your Issabel 5 PBX. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more VoIP, Issabel, free PBX, Windows Server, and networking tutorials. Thanks for watching.